Okay, so let's power on my Dell Latitude 5420. And probably going to get the CPU fan error because I get it very regularly. It's testing the processor fan, as you can see. And zooming in there, you can see the error code in the processor fan failed to respond correctly. It happens more often and nearly every time it boots up now. It'll still run, mainly because I have reapplied thermal paste, and so it has that for dissipating heat into the passive part of the fan. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and power this off. And let's get started with replacing the fan. Okay, this is the processor fan. It has a passive element to it. It has the active element that's right on top of the CPU that it is powered, and the passive part has already coating of thermal paste. I just got to remove the plastic from it and then it's ready to apply. I'm going to dab some additional thermal paste onto that just to make sure it has very good conductivity for dissipating heat. Okay, let's get started removing this cover here. If I remember right from before, the screws, they don't come off the plate, they stay on it. So that's nice, you don't have to worry about losing them, at least not for this back cover. Okay, I'm going to get my tool here to go ahead and pry this back cover off. As you see there, it's coming off. Okay, cover comes off. And here's the original OEM. Perfect fit, it looks like. Good. I probably should disconnect the battery. Yeah, just kind of gently pull it up, okay? Battery's disconnected. Now let's get to removing the fan. These screws do have to come off. Let me gently prod off that connection there. Okay. And one screw to remove there. Okay, that screw is the one I just removed from there. One more here. And the processor fan's ready to come off. This is the old one. I want to get the residue off. Okay, and using the Q-tips, dabbled in 90% isopropyl alcohol, got all that off, and that's what I want. And 90% isopropyl alcohol dries very fast. Okay, I have a Insignia brand that's Best Buy, but this is a good quality thermal paste. Has a silver element to it. I guess I'd already have thermal paste there, but it doesn't help to put a little droplet on there. That's just me. Okay, like a dodo, I had forgotten to peel off that cellophane, but I did, and now I put the thermal paste on there and spread it around, just making sure I get extra good contact. I'm going to go ahead and now apply this. Make sure I get it laid. Oriented correctly. There we go. It's these four that I'm most concerned about because they got the paste on them. There we go. And only two of those you have to keep track of. And then two connectors. One for the fan and one for the battery. Okay, let me put the connector on. There we go. It went in real nice and easy. And lastly, the battery one. And that one is just pressing that on. Okay, what's next is the bottom case. I'm just going to lay it on gently. I'm not going to press it on or screw it in yet. I want to make sure that the PC boots up without any fan error. Okay, here's our moment of truth. Let's power on. Adapter. Hardware scan, complete with no issues. That's what I like to see. Hey, hey. Go ahead and tap with my finger. I'll log right in. And I'll shut it down so I can get the bottom cover on. Easy peasy. And just like that, my system is repaired.